hello guys hello guys uh, Today I will show you estimate uh, today I will show you STM003 microcontroller programming. Today I will discuss about timer on. You know that STM8S003 has several timers like timer on, timer 2, timer 3, timer 4. So our basic timer is timer on. It has 16-bit register. Its size 16-bit, so it counts up to 2 to the power of 16 to the power of 26. 65,000 equal to 65,535. It counts 0 to 65,535. okay, its limit. So today I will discuss how to use timer to on off LCD display, right? So here you can see there is I define some variable like this: LCD on. You can see here LCD on, LCD off, right? LCD on, LCD off, and LCD backlight on, right? 4 or LCD backlight for pin 4 PC ODR LCD backlight, right? And I will use this timer on. Initialized. I will initialize the registers of the time are on. So you can find in this function, you can see that register I define prescaler low high, auto reload register, interrupt enable register counting register enable, and the interrupt service routine. So on the overflow I will auto reload this auto reload value I have set here. Auto reload value set here, and it will count. That's the limit. Its limit. And timer on, you can see that it counts up to 5 on 55,999, and I have 3 second 0x B8 3 second up to 3 second up to 3 second count out overflow. And then when the overflow encountered, then interrupt service routine IQR double on will be called. And in this IQ double on, there is on I have PC underscore ODR backlight toggle display. To toggle display on left shift 4 toggle bitwise operation, you know that. And this is timer on initialized. Okay, understand. So this is the case. You can see here something, and this is a state interrupt vector, and you have to define here automatic. You have to define here this service routine IRQ on. Okay. This is count. Okay. and you have to define intervector stacked interrupt handler T IR Q1. You have to define. If you want to define new interrupt server, then you have to include in this address locations in this abstract vector table. So now I will install this using programmers to estimate microcontroller. I'll show you, and this I'll show you, and guys, no problem. Okay, now I will load this hex file, config hex file into estimate microcontroller and installed, and now you will see what will be happened. Okay, you will see here the counts up to 0x5 30 27 3 second. It will 3 second, 0xb 0xb8 total 3 second. Okay, thanks. And you see this in the LCD display that it toggling its backlight on and off, on off. Thank you very much guys for watching, and share and like. Okay, thank you.